If your DaVinci Resolve 20 workspace looks messed up, panels are missing, or the layout just doesn't feel right, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset the workspace in DaVinci Resolve 20 step by step, so you can get everything back to the default layout quickly and safely. This is perfect if your media pool disappeared, your inspector is missing, your effects library is gone, or your Fusion page looks broken. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open DaVinci Resolve 20 and go to the top menu bar. At the very top of the screen, click on Workspace. This is where Resolve keeps all of the layout and panel options, so if anything in your interface looks wrong, this is the place you want to start. Now, from the Workspace menu, click Reset UI Layout. As soon as you do that, DaVinci Resolve will restore the default layout for the current page you're on. So if you were on the edit page, it will reset the edit page layout. If you were on the cut page, it will reset that layout instead. This is usually the fastest way to fix a broken workspace, especially when panels have moved, disappeared, or been resized in a strange way. If that already fixed your issue, great. But if you still have missing panels, don't worry, there's another step you can use. Go back up to Workspace and this time look for Show Panel in Workspace. Inside this menu, you can turn specific panels back on manually. For example, make sure Media Pool is turned on if your media bin is missing. Turn on Inspector if you can't see your clip settings on the right side. And enable Effects Library if your transitions, titles, or effects panel is gone. These options are really useful because sometimes the layout isn't fully broken, it's just that one or more panels were turned off accidentally. If your screen itself looks strange, or if Resolve is acting like it's stuck in a weird viewing mode, there are a couple more settings you should check. Go back to the Workspace menu and turn off Dual Screen if it's enabled. Also turn off Full Screen Viewer if that has been switched on. These options can make it seem like panels are missing when really they're just being displayed in a different mode or on another screen. Turning them off usually brings everything back to normal. Now, if the problem is happening on the Fusion page, there's one more reset you should know about. Switch over to Fusion, then go back to Workspace and choose Reset UI Layout again. Fusion can sometimes get its viewers, nodes, or interface elements rearranged in a way that makes it hard to work. Resetting the UI layout on the Fusion page can instantly fix missing nodes, broken viewers, or a layout that just doesn't look right. So to recap, if you want to reset the workspace in DaVinci Resolve 20, go to Workspace and click Reset UI Layout. If panels are missing, use Show Panel in Workspace and turn on Media Pool, Inspector, and Effects Library. If the screen looks off, disable Dual Screen and Full Screen Viewer. And if Fusion is broken, reset the Fusion UI layout as well. That's really all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can get DaVinci Resolve 20 looking clean and organized again, without wasting time trying to drag panels back into place manually. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials, editing tips, and beginner-friendly workflow fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.